Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and making sure you're signed into the account that created the JAR daily payment. Once done, unlock your device and verify a stable Wi-Fi or mobile connection so nothing times out. Tap the profile icon. You need to access payments methods and subscriptions or recurring payments. You're doing this to see the authorization that allows daily charges, which you will pause or remove. That's the action that stops the JAR debit. Next, navigate into Payments Methods, then Subscriptions or Recurring Payments to find the JAR daily entry. You'll see details like frequency and linked funding source. Tap the subscription to reveal options, choose Cancel or Pause to stop future charges, or remove the linked card if you want to force failures. Make sure to confirm prompts and check for confirmation email. Doing this severs the authorization. It prevents the merchant from initiating further daily withdrawals. Finish by returning to subscriptions to confirm the JAR entry shows canceled or paused, and check your email for confirmation. This proves the change processed. If charges continue, contact the merchant first to confirm they received the cancel. If unresolved, call or message your bank or Google Pay support and dispute unauthorized repeats. Make sure to keep screenshots of canceled status and emails. They're your evidence if you need a refund or chargeback later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.